Microphone.
Dong, dali dito ako ipa-bless na mo si Pio. Pamakita ka to, dali dito. Oh, ganun yun. Ganun doon yun. Ino-honor ng mga tao. Dali na, dali na. Iulat, sinabi iulat. Oh, sige. Sige na, be, sige. Sige, iulat.
Walang ganyanan po.
Ate, dito na lang eh.
May SBS channel, kami pwede ka na naman
Oo,
ipakita. Alex, sisikat ka, friend.
Oo, sige na, okay na.
Sige na, go.
Ano man, ang...
Ano mo talaga si Oek?
Hindi na lang, ang about sa kahapon.
Oh, sige
About
nga.
sa ang...
Sige ka kapon. Sa revolution. Sige daw nga. Okay.
It has been 35 years since the people have revolted in the streets of Edsa. Now, this year we...
What's wrong?
May ganon.
Paano nga, nagkakasal jacket na kayo, di ba, na tip sa ang people power.
Light! Camera!
Wait, Lane, sige na, game.
Sige na.
35 years ago, when people were fed up with a dictatorship and rose into the streets, 25 years ago, people power was born to restore democracy in our country.
Wait lang. Basta sinunanay yan.
But the question is, did the Filipino people remember that meaningful revolution that inspired other nations in Middle East and North Africa?
Name. Ako, si Bart. Ako, si Dudong.
But one more thing. But one more thing.
What thing?
25 years ago,
What?
we have restored democracy from the dictatorship of the Marcoses. Monroe John Rubio.
Cut. Kailangan mo pa muna ng make-up, friend. Wala, may
Wala na, tapos na. Wala ta. Oy, ma'am,